The night air in the cinder block neighborhood is stifling. It's tough to get a little one to sleep, but that may be the least of the challenges that lie ahead for these new parents. Poliana Rabello remembers falling ill during her pregnancy.
Eu procurei sim, mas eles falaram que era uma virose. Não constou como a Zika.
Only in the delivery room did she learn Luis Felipe had been born with a tiny head and, likely inside, a damaged brain.
Desesperador, eu chorei muito porque a gente não conhecia muito da microcefalia. O que a gente conhecia era só o que a gente escutava falando na televisão.
Their faces are hauntingly similar, their fates heartbreakingly so. More than 4,000 of Brazil's babies born with microcephaly, and all born since October. That's 30 times the normal number of cases here in an entire year. Doctors can't yet explain the surge, but they suspect that the Zika virus, now charging through the country, affects pregnant women and stops their babies' brains from developing. When the first cases of the Zika virus were detected last May in northeast Brazil, the health minister at the time dismissed Zika as a benign disease and did nothing. The virus took hold. Brazil's president confesses today the country is losing the battle against the mosquito that carries Zika. So now, finally, a mass mobilization. Crews fumigate busy public spaces like Carnival's famous samba stages. Soldiers will deploy next week across the country to inspect homes and distribute information. Community health groups are already doing that. They go door to door, seeking out the dark, dank places where mosquitoes thrive. Gilberto Ribeiro destroys their habitats or treats them with larvicide.
Eu diria que não é nem perder nem falta de controle, é que o trabalho ele é muito árduo.
You have to be a war, you have to fight against the mosquito. It's very serious.
Dr. Marcelo Berla believes had the government response to Zika come sooner, been stronger, the country would not be seeing the explosion of cases, and he might not be seeing patients like Mariana Mendoza. She developed Zika early on when no one was warning pregnant women to take precautions. She already knows her baby has microcephaly. She didn't expect this ultrasound to show the brain damage is worsening. She will give birth to the son she's named Leandro in a couple of weeks.
Eu vou lutar, vou fazer o que eu tiver que fazer.
It's a big suffering.
Science is only beginning to confront the impact of Zika.
We will have a generation of babies with brain damage forever.
Luis Felipe is quiet at last. His brother has welcomed him. His mother's initial fear has given way to fierce resolve.
Acho que foi da vontade de Deus, e se ele me deu assim, vamos lá, bola pra frente. É porque ele vai me dar forças para poder seguir isso aí.
Brazil risks being defined by this crisis. It will need to match the strength and faith of its mothers. Heather Hiscock, CBC News, Rio de Janeiro.
É aí na frente.